This is something very close to my heart, and in my over 30 years of life career, I have individually seen and taken risks with very young people and asked them to do the impossible. I can only assure you that 90% of the time I was proved right. And hence, I don't see it as a risk at all. There is no risk. What do you lose? If you look at the two initiatives, the first two, and I just want to caution everybody that this is not the end of this program. The two are the start pilot, is a pilot. I would be happy if 8 or 10 more are identified and given the platform to do something unusual, not BAU. I've seen several recruitment campaigns, and two of them actually I'm still reminded of. One is catch them young and set their minds on fire. You can get excellent results, number one. Number two, minds are not created equal, neither are careers. So obviously there are 70,000 associates in TechM and MSAT world, but all minds are not equal. Various reasons, but whatever it may be, there are those who think differently, there are those who take risk, there are those who take ownership, and there are those who enjoy only when they see results, not in the process by itself. So the two initiatives, one is platform, and if I look at platform to start with, it is one of the most strategic investments we are making. We started making last financial year and see the light of the day this financial year. I could have hired somebody from outside. I could have chosen somebody else. I've worked very closely with Raghav, starting from when he got promoted as a GLC, internally selected, and he was at Accelerate, undergoing training, and I was at Jamshedpur doing a review of the session. I found him vastly different from the rest of the 29 people who were in the room. And I chose him to come and join my BSG group when he started BSG 5 years back. And I think all the same time he also came in. Similarly, both of you, the initiative that you take in the education business, I have seen the passion, I have seen the follow-up, and I have written to Hari. I have never seen this kind of tenacity going through the government machinery, the Department of Education, AICTE, absolutely outstanding. I have never seen such tenacity and purpose of life, direction in life, as I saw in you. If I have to list down what are the other initiatives that actually can be started with people like you, I can name 10 of them right now. I think a fault lies with us, and I don't know to name individuals of senior management, but there are people who will take risk with a resume. It's unknown, resume made very well, came through a consultant, but would not take a risk with a youngster who has been with the company for 1 year or 2 years. And that is, I think, what will inhibit this program if anything actually comes in the way. So I urge to all my colleagues across Mahindra Satyam and Tech Mahindra, please take initiative, please take risk. If there are chances of going wrong with an external candidate is 90%, chances of going wrong with an internal candidate is not more than 10%. So let us not be blocks, and I think we can get amazing results. And for me to identify these two individuals, I'll be answerable. I'll be happy to answer 98 other people who say, why not me? And I'm looking forward to those 98 people who actually come and say, okay, these two folks have got this opportunity, why not me? And Harsh, you would need to have a system by which you can capture aspirations of people who want to take this kind of responsibility and own it. Now, having said that, my expectations are very simple. Please don't point fingers. Whatever you need to do, please do it yourself. Break all bureaucracy and raise concern, raise alerts. Don't crib, but come with a solution, and then we'll all help you to implement that. But don't be like a born at a complaints counter and say this can be done because he's not doing, because that guy is not releasing some resource. Don't come to me, don't come to anybody for that, come with a solution. But please own everything. I've also shared with Harsh that in your job, you need fair amount of independence, but that cannot be jungle freedom. There are certain functions like compensation, company regulations, security, audit requirements, compliance issues, which cannot be diluted. It has to be centrally controlled. But to run an operation, there will be, I think for Raghav at least I have identified, I don't know about the other project, but I've identified a SPOC from finance, a SPOC from quality, a SPOC from HR, a SPOC from RMG, a SPOC from technology, and SPOC from MIS to provide him the support that he needs to do his job well. As I said, both these two projects are extremely critical for the company, and I think it is our job to make you successful more than your job to make yourself successful. I'll be happy to answer any questions that anybody would have. I don't have a presentation for this.